It was another incredible morning in the west coast of Mexico, and I was about to wake up again in the incredible town of San Patricio. Today I will be doing a hike across the mountain and into another town. Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna go out for some new adventures. We're gonna go across the mountains and into another town here that supposedly is gonna be really nice. The sun is shining and we have perfect frying weather today, so let's start out the day. So I'm here in a hotel room in a town called San Patricio. I actually had to put on this same shirt again that you've probably seen so many times because my other shirt, the buttons broke. And I actually don't have that many shirts with me in my bag. So we have to wear my favorite shirt again. And now let's head out, my friends. Let's go. Cuastecomate, here I come. Let's go. A lot of people are starting to head out to the beach already. It's pretty early in the morning. That's where I went to yesterday that you might have seen already. But let's keep walking across the mountain in. We're gonna go behind this mountain and in to the other town over there. Here is where I'm gonna go up the road and head in to Cuastecomate. This town is called Melaque, but also San Patricio is on this side of the town. I just got out on some road here, a bit out of town. A bunch of cows and chickens, really cool actually. Here's the intersection also. You can go up to Guadalajara, which is one of the biggest towns in Mexico. I think there's a highway that goes all the way into Guadalajara from here, straight up from the coast and inland. It's a nice little walk here. You can hear some roosters roosting. I've been walking for 10 minutes. There's a steep road here. It's gonna take me over to Cuastecomate. I'd been walking on some small roads on the other side of the mountain. Here you can see the town where I'd come from, but soon I was about to come out to another incredible beach town. I've been walking for nearly 30 minutes. I've been walking so much actually in the past weeks, every day. It's walking 5 miles, 6 miles, 7 miles. Cuastecomate! Cuastecomate, where are you? Cuastecomate! Now I am here in Cuastecomate, my friend. So there seems to be only one road that goes down to the beach. We're gonna walk down to the beach and check it out. Welcome now to the beach area. What an incredible view here. Palm trees, good weather, sailboats, lots of people on the beach. Can't be any better. I had finally come into this incredible village, located between the mountains, right by a bay, and also in a valley.
It's unclear what the population of the village is, but I found out that there are a few hotels located by the beach. I had seen mountains all along the southwest and west coast of Mexico, and this town was also just as incredible as what I had previously seen.
Now I'm here on the beach in Cuastecomate. It seems like this town is not very big at all. Only a couple of hundred people living here, and there are some hotels over there also. Really nice area actually. Really nice. I see about 6 sailboats out there. It's really packed with people here. Probably maybe more than 1,000 people here on the beach. So many people, and a lot of people are eating at the restaurants here next to the water and drinking lots of Corona beers. I've seen a lot of Corona beers and Victoria. I'm trying to see if I can go swimming here, but it seems like the further up I've been getting in the west coast of Mexico, the less clean the water has actually been. It was the most clean in the state of Oaxaca, where I started, in the very south part of Mexico, southwest part. Oh, I came over here to sit down. We have a perfect frying angle here, 45 degrees next to the wall. We have the sun there, is coming. The sizzling is starting to come. So we have to jump in and cool off here in a little bit. We have the water waiting for us there. So incredible. Oh.
I had walked around some cliffs to jump in the water.
Alright, let's go snorkeling, my friends.
It was nice and cold in the water, but the visibility not very good, and I could almost not see anything.
I came up after this swimming and I saw so many snails here. Like hundreds of snails that are just sitting on the rock. Imagine if we were a snail. We couldn't do anything, just sit on a rock, and they like suck themselves into the rock and they sit there all day. And then they just... Life would not be fun if we were a snail. It's moving. Oh! It's moving! I'm happy that I am not a snail, so we're gonna head back across the mountain again and back to the hotel. I walked again across the mountain. It's so peaceful here whenever there's no car coming.
I walked across the mountain and back in to the town of San Patricio again, where I had been staying for the past couple of days.
I'm coming into the town area again. I came here to a restaurant and I ordered a salmon salad. Very good salmon salad, and I also bought some milk from Oxo here. It looks like pasta, dry pasta. So you have to pay about $40 US per night if you're going along the west coast of Mexico. That's what I've been paying for the past weeks actually. Seems to be standard if you want to have a decent hotel room. We have the last minutes of the sunshine now, so we're gonna jump in and then we're gonna sit here and fry ourselves. We have to take advantage of the last minutes of frying today before the sun goes behind the building here. Oh, how good is life now, my friends, when I get to sit in the sun and drink my milk. Oh, so good. We're gonna end this video here, but thank you very much for watching it. Please, as always, leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the next video, I think I will be going to the famous town of Puerto Vallarta. So if you want to see that, also please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Please also, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something.